All right, let's just jump right in. What if you could take a whole messy pile of research, PDFs, YouTube links, random notes, and in just a few minutes, turn all of it into a fully structured, professional-looking slide deck? Yeah, no more endless copying and pasting, no more fighting with formatting. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to do that by combining NotebookLM and Gemini. Seriously, this workflow is going to change the way you build presentations forever.
But first, let's be real for a second. When you have to make a presentation, what does your process actually look like? Is it this smooth, creative journey? Or does it feel a little more, well, chaotic? I'm betting it's dozens of open tabs, notes scattered everywhere, and that blinking cursor on a blank slide just staring back at you, mocking you. We've all been there.
And this slide right here, it just puts numbers to that feeling of chaos. Look at this breakdown. We spend a staggering 40% of our time just on research, and then another 40% just trying to wrestle it all into a story that makes sense. That leaves this tiny little sliver for design and an almost non-existent 5% for actually practicing. It's totally exhausting and, let's face it, super inefficient.
So here's the good news. The problem isn't you. It's not about your creativity or how smart you are, it's the workflow itself. We're all trying to duct tape together a research tool, a writing tool, and a design tool that were never built to talk to each other. Of course, it's frustrating, but what if we could just connect them all into one seamless pipeline?
And that brings us to step one, building a solid structure using AI. This is where NotebookLM comes into the picture. Think of it as your personal research assistant, one that's specifically designed to take all that raw material and turn that initial chaos into pure, beautiful clarity.
So the first thing you do is just feed the machine. And honestly, it can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. We're talking academic PDFs, website links, your own thoughts in a Google Doc. It can even pull transcripts from YouTube videos or read your scanned, handwritten notes. You just upload everything into one central hub.
And this is where the magic really starts. Instead of you manually sifting through everything, you just give it a simple command, something like this. And the key is you're not getting some generic essay. You're asking it to analyze your specific sources and build an outline from them, pulling out the exact stats and examples it finds right there in your own research.
So the process is just dead simple. You upload your sources, you tell it what kind of outline you want, and then you tell it to generate the slides. NotebookLM automatically pulls out the key ideas, organizes them logically, and creates a solid foundation. And most importantly, it's all grounded in the material you provided. The AI isn't just making things up, it's synthesizing your facts.
But it doesn't just stop at the first draft, and this is so cool. It's not a one-and-done deal. You can keep refining the output with simple commands. You can ask it to make the tone more dramatic or restructure a bunch of bullet points into a clean comparison table. It's like you're having a conversation with it to build out your content.
Okay, on to step two. So you've got your structure. The bones are good. But now you need that polish, right? The visuals, the creative spark. This is where we bring in Gemini to take your presentation from just good to something genuinely great.
The easiest way to think about it is like this. NotebookLM is your architect. It provides the structure, the logic, the data-backed core of your whole argument. Then, Gemini comes in as your creative director, bringing the visual flair, simplifying complicated ideas, and even helping you perfect the delivery. And Gemini's toolkit is, well, it's seriously impressive. It can generate custom visuals for your content, or even create animated SVGs, those super crisp graphics that can actually move to explain a process. My personal favorite, though, is its ability to take a dry statistic and turn it into a memorable visual metaphor. Or get this, it can help you rehearse by simulating a Q&A session.
I mean, just look at these prompts. This is completely next-level preparation. You're not just asking for a picture, you're asking for a way to make your data connect with people emotionally. You're not just reading your notes out loud, you're literally battle testing your arguments against a tough AI. This goes so far beyond just making slides.
Now let's just zoom out for a second, because the real power of this workflow isn't just about making one great presentation. It's about building a powerful content engine, where you do the hard work of research once, and then you can publish that knowledge pretty much everywhere.
So it all starts with that single consolidated notebook you put together. Which first, it becomes your polished slide deck for that big presentation. But then it can be instantly repurposed into, say, a LinkedIn carousel to share with your network. Or a script for a YouTube video, a Twitter thread, a blog post, you name it. The possibilities are just huge. This is how you start to move faster and create way more impact from a single piece of work. So let's bring it all home and look at your new workflow. This is really the ultimate transformation, moving you out of that state of constant frustration and into a seamless flow of pure creation.
And this right here is the ultimate change. On one side, you've got the painful old world of messy research and that blank slide anxiety. On the other side, a simple 5-step process. Upload, generate, refine, enhance, and finally, present with total confidence. But it's so important to remember this. You are always in the driver's seat. The AI is your assistant, but you are the director. You're never locked in, and you can always export your work to a PDF or a PowerPoint file to make those final little tweaks in the tools you already know and love.
So, to sum it all up, it's this simple. NotebookLM gives you the logical backbone. Gemini gives you that creative spark. But you bring the vision. This whole thing doesn't replace your expertise. It just amplifies it, letting you focus on the big picture message, not all the tedious low-level mechanics.
Honestly, this combination of tools is one of the most underrated AI workflows out there right now. It fundamentally changes the effort-to-impact ratio for creating powerful, persuasive presentations. It's like a superpower. So the only real question left is, with this power at your fingertips, what are you going to create now?